In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective preloader for your website using Webflow. This essential component ensures a smooth user experience by providing a visual indication that your page is loading. Whether you're showing off a creative Lottie animation, a sleek spinner, or a simple loading text, a preloader can enhance the perceived performance of your site. Let's dive in and see how to set this up step by step. To start, you'll want to create a new div block within Webflow. This div will serve as the container for your preloader animation. Think about this div as the canvas on which you'll build your preloading animation. You can include elements like Lottie animations, spinners, or even simple text to communicate to users that content is on its way. Next, it's important to style this div to ensure it covers the entire viewport. Achieve this by setting the div's position property to absolute. This allows the div to stretch both horizontally and vertically, effectively covering the whole page. You'll want to set the width to 100% and the height to 100 pitch. Doing so ensures that your preloader remains visible across all device sizes and resolutions, filling the entire screen and keeping it centered until your page fully loads. Remember to assign a high z-index value to this preloader div. This ensures that it stays on top of other content, preventing any background distractions from peeking through during the loading process. Once your div is in place, it's time to insert your preloader animation. This can be a Lottie element, a simple image, or even just text, whatever fits best with your design aesthetics and branding. Position your animation within the preloader div. You can play with its alignment and sizing to get the visual just right, ensuring it focuses attention and clearly communicates that the page is in the process of loading. Now, we'll create the page load interaction that will control when and how your preloader disappears. Click to select your preloader div block. You'll be working with this for the interaction setup. Head over to the Interactions panel, located on the right sidebar. Here, you'll find a plus sign next to Page Trigger. Give that a click and select Page Load from the drop-down menu. To make your preloader disappear once the page content is ready, choose Start an Animation from the Action menu under the When Page Finishes Loading section. This critical setting ensures your preloader only hides when everything is fully prepared to be displayed to users. Click the plus sign next to Timed Animations and give this new animation a memorable, descriptive name like Page Loader Hide. This will make it easier to recognize and tweak in the future if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a preloader in Webflow that will elegantly manage how your site loads, ensuring a sleek and professional experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.